exercise, I'm gonna walk you through how to cleanse your client's lashes while they're laying in front of you. So all you'll need for this exercise is your Lost Artistry Lash Lash Bath or Scentsy Bath, or cleanser of choice, of course, and then your brush as well. So the main thing here is that you have a brush with very soft bristles. Ours is designed for cleansing lashes, but if you're not going to use this, I really suggest finding something with very soft bristles so it can get in around every single one of those lashes at the root with ease. So all you'll need are those two things and then some face cloths as well. So let me walk you through how to cleanse your lashes. So to begin, I'm gonna take my warm wet cloth and just rinse along, wipe along her lashes. Then I'm gonna take my dry cloth and hold it on the side. But first, I'm gonna use my cleanser. Get prepared. And we don't wanna get it in our client's hair or anything, so I'm gonna tilt her head to the side. Keep my cloth, my dry cloth there just to catch any liquid, if there is any. Use my cleanser all along her lashes. And if you need more, go ahead and get more, depending on how much of a cleanse they need. And just do one eye at a time here. Going all over, and then take your dry cloth, take away any moisture, and if you want to be safe, if you're not familiar with your cleanser and you think that maybe it could irritate the eye, then I would suggest taking your cloth again, your wet cloth, giving it another nice cleanse with that. Because some lash cleansers can be harsh on the eyes, so you want to make sure all of the solution is gone. Actually, ours is not like that. It's so chill, but just to be safe, give it a nice, good cleanse of all that solution. And pat dry. It's a really good idea to do this before any service, whether you send your client to the washroom or you do it at your station. And the reason for this is because you really want to make sure that the lashes are perfectly clean before you begin, because otherwise you're gonna adhere your extension to debris or mascara or oils, and that's gonna result in poor retention. So this is a really important step. And then priming, of course, is a really good option as well. So I'm gonna move to my other side. All clean.